All right. Let's go to work. Beer fridge. Oh, I know some kids that'll pay big money for this. Let's grab it. Skinny's jackpot.
Ooh, slide more money into our pockets.
Oh yeah.
You play golf?
No, I suck.
We can get $200 at a pawn shop, easy.
Let's grab them.
All right, let's go.
Hi, I'm Deputy Ingram of the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, and I'm here to remind you to close your garage door in the summertime. In the summertime, if you leave your garage door open, you leave the opportunity available for the criminals to come and take your things. So please remember to lock your doors, close your windows, and remember to always close your garage door if you're not outside.
Thank you, deputies, for coming so quick. Both my kids' bikes were stolen last night.
Having an open garage door is a real problem. You want to make sure that you remember to close that garage door when you're not outside.
Close your garage door!
Man, we scored some bikes in there.
Sweet.
Woo!